What if you could build a life in one of the most beautiful, low-cost tropical environments on Earth, completely insulated from local economic constraints? The secret isn't about finding a local hustle. It's about decoupling where you spend your life from where you generate your income. Today, we're mapping out a plan to engineer financial sovereignty from the outside so you can thrive anywhere, starting from day one. While landing a remote job or cooking up a creative online hustle is one way to generate cash flow, that's not what we're breaking down today. This video is laser focused on a different target, building assets that pay you while you sleep. And I don't mean high-risk speculation. We're talking about sleep-at-night passive income. That means locking down resilient income backed by real-world assets. Now, a quick disclaimer. While these are some of the most stable, defensive instruments available, the golden rule of investing still applies. Everything carries risk. There are no guarantees in markets, and my goal here is to show you a framework, not hand you a crystal ball. You need to do your own due diligence and assess your personal risk tolerance before making any investments. When looking at hard assets for true long-term security, silver stands in a league of its own, not just as a historical monetary metal, but because of its undeniable real-world utility. Silver is an irreplaceable industrial commodity required for solar panels, advanced electronics, medical technology, and global green infrastructure. It is heavily consumed and depleted every day, giving it intrinsic real-world demand that paper fiat currencies simply cannot match. If you want to hold physical silver without paying heavy dealer premiums or losing chunks of your stack to monthly vault storage fees, platforms like Kinesis Money offer a completely different model. It provides one-to-one allocated physical silver ownership, stored in audited, secure international vaults. Instead of charging you a fee to keep it safe, the system covers your storage costs and actually pays you a variable monthly yield in more silver just for holding it. That yield isn't generated through risky lending or debt schemes. Instead, it is funded by a master fee pool built from global transaction, minting, and exchange fees across the network. Your share is calculated daily based on your proportion of silver relative to all other holders on the platform, and it is paid out monthly directly into your account as additional physical silver tokens, KAG. You can also choose to lock down your silver for a set term to earn enhanced yields, significantly outperforming what any traditional bank will ever pay you, all for doing nothing more than letting your sound money sit undisturbed. To get started, use my link in the description to check out the platform. Once you complete your setup and meet the platform's trading volume requirements, you unlock a half-ounce silver bonus, or you can just scan the QR code on your screen right now. If you are Canadian and need a platform to get Sol coins to purchase silver with, I recommend using NDAX. Use my link and get $10 Canadian added to your account when you deposit your first $200. The network fee is very small for transfers. If you wish to look into other assets to diversify your portfolio rather than just holding silver, here are the stocks I am personally tracking and actively interested in investing in, some much heavier than others.